If you're familiar with our channel, then you're no stranger to CNC plasma cutting.
Recently, we showed you how to use the 4x8 table to cut out a steel fire pit. You can find that video here.
This is one of our absolute favorite tools in the shop, and today we wanted to introduce the newest addition to our plasma cutter lineup, the Versa Cut 60 CNC. With unparalleled power and precision, the Versa Cut 60 CNC makes cutting metal easy, slicing through steel up to 7/8 of an inch thick with clean, professional results. Let's show you how it works. This compact 30-pound machine is built for serious fabricators who need both raw cutting power and CNC-ready precision. With dual voltage capability, it runs on both 120 volts and full 240 volt power in the shop. Unlike high-frequency machines that can interfere with electronics, the Versa Cut 60 CNC uses a blowback pilot arc, making it reliable and safe for CNC table use. It even comes ready with a rear-mounted 12-pin plug so you can connect directly to your CNC plasma table. No complicated rewiring required. Setup is simple. Plug into a 240 volt outlet or use the included adapter for 120 volt. Attach your ground clamp, hook up clean, dry air, and connect your torch. Set your air pressure between 60 and 70 psi.
And dial in your amperage.
Let's show you how the CNC Cut 60 works in action. So we got our settings dialed on the Versa Cut 60. Now we're going to come over to the cut controller and dial in all our cut speeds and pierce times. Before starting a big project, you always want to check the condition of your consumables, and since we're cutting with 60 amps today, I'm going to be changing the standard machine torch consumables out for the HD consumables required for cutting with greater than 40 amps. Something a lot of you guys have asked for that we brought in now are consumable kits for the Versa Cut CNC plasma cutters. This is for the hand torch for the Versa Cut 60 CNC, and this is the HD consumables kit that you'll need to purchase with the Versa Cut 60 CNC when you're using the machine torch. Now we also have them available for the Versa Cut 40 CNC hand torch and the standard machine torch consumables that came with your Versa Cut 40. Now that we've got the settings on the cut controller and the plasma cutter dialed in, we're going to cut the part out.
While that's cutting, let me give you some tips for getting the most out of your Versa Cut 60. For max output, make sure to use the HD consumables. Exceeding 40 amps with normal consumables will wear them out very quickly and could ruin your cut. Listen to the arc. A sharp, angry crackle indicates a clean, penetrating cut. A soft hiss means the torch is moving too fast, has low amperage, or poor air pressure. Lastly, don't rely on generic voltage settings. The ideal voltage will vary based on material thickness and what model of plasma cutter you are using. Make sure to dial in the correct voltage with some test cuts.
We just finished up cutting on some 1/8 inch plate. Now we're going to show you what this thing's really capable of with 60 amps. We got some 3/8 inch plate loaded up. I've slowed down the cut speed, upped the pierce time, and adjusted the acceleration settings to be a little more gentle. Now let's do some cutting. All right, so we're wrapped up cutting here. We have our nice, precise wormhole artwork piece to show you the precision and fast cutting capability of the Versa Cut CNC 60. This piece took about 20 minutes. You can go from a cool piece of sheet metal to a work of art in less than half an hour. And we also have two eyelets here that we made out of 3/8 inch plate to show you the ultimate power and capability of the plasma cutter. Cut smarter, not harder with the Eastwood Versa-Cut 60 CNC plasma cutter. One machine with the power to cut nearly anything and the precision to make it perfect. Available now at eastwood.com.